In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Linktree. We'll walk through the full process of turning your regular Linktree into a simple online shop, so your audience can discover and buy your digital products directly from your link in bio. First, log into your Linktree account and head to your admin dashboard. This is usually where you manage all your links. Once you're there, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on the option labeled Shop. This is the dedicated area where you'll set up and manage everything related to your products. Inside the shop section, you'll land on the Manage tab. Here, click on the Add button. A small menu will appear and you'll want to start by choosing Product. This is how you add an individual digital product, like an ebook, template, course, or any other downloadable or hosted item. You'll see a search or input field. Click into that field and paste the link to your product. This could be a link to where the product is sold or delivered, such as your website, a payment page, or a file delivery service. Linktree will use this link to pull in the product and make it available in your shop. Once you've added at least one product, you can organize things more neatly by creating collections. Go back to the shop section and click Add again, but this time choose Collection. Give your collection a clear, descriptive name, like ebooks, presets, or courses, so visitors quickly understand what's inside. When you're happy with the name, click Continue. Now you'll be able to choose which products go into this collection. Click on the products you want to include, or paste additional product links into the field if you need to bring in new ones on the fly. This helps you group related items and makes browsing easier for your audience. Next, click on My Products in the shop area. This is where you can see everything you've added so far. If you want to add more products, click Add again and paste new product links into the search field, just like before. Take a moment to make sure all your key digital products are listed here and assigned to the right collections. When your products and collections are ready, go to the Manage area again and look for the toggle that controls whether your shop is live. Click the toggle to publish your shop. Once it's turned on, your Linktree will display your new shop, and visitors can browse and buy your digital products directly from your link in bio.